Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers, 12 November 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professions. Early career professions means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. Every Friday we will upload new employment opportunity for early career professions, and this week in this video we have included 6 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers and 2022 batch students. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. In this, first, Lam Research Corporation, Bangalore. Mechanical Engineer 1 at Lam Research Corporation, Bangalore. Company profile. Lam Research Corporation is an American corporation that engages in the design, manufacture, marketing and service of semiconductor processing equipment used in the fabrication of integrated circuits. The company also builds equipment for back-end wafer level packaging and for related manufacturing markets such as for micro electromechanical systems MEMS. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2022 batch students also can apply. Job reference ID is 163997. Job description: design and development of mechanical component and subsystems, analyze design through simulation and hand calculation, validate design by making prototypes and performing testing, participate actively in idea generation forums and can contribute to innovative solutions, understand Lam products, business, process and standards, etc. Qualification is BE or BTech in mechanical engineering with a minimum 65% of aggregate, graduating in 2022 without any backlogs. Minimum qualification: application of strength of material, theory of machines, heat and mass transfer, and fluid flow principles to solve engineering problems, knowledge of various materials and their applications, knowledge of machining, welding, molding, sheet metal fabrication and casting process, etc. Preferred qualification: hands-on project that includes prototyping and assembly, advanced manufacturing methods, additive manufacturing and 3D printing, water jet machining, ceramic manufacturing, etc. Use of simulation tools such as ANSYS, Nastran, CREO Simulate, etc. Role is Mechanical Engineer 1. Industry type is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher 2022 batch mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. Internship for mechanical engineering pursuing students can apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description. If you are interested to apply any one of these jobs, you can visit our video's description, and from there by clicking the link you will redirect to the Lam Research Corporation's company website, and from there you can apply directly. Next is Dassault Systems, Pune. Automation internship XCAD connectors at Dassault System, Pune. Dassault System is a French MNC software corporation. It is among the Fortune 50 list of the largest software companies that develop software for 3D product design, simulation, manufacturing and more. A Dassault Group is headquartered in France and has around 20,000 employees in 140 different countries. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2022 batch students can also apply. Job reference ID is 521294. Role is develop automation scripts for XCAD connectors like Inventors, AutoCAD, Solid Edge, Revit, etc. Understand the industry usage of domains such as mechanical CAD, architectural CAD, etc. Coordinate with the global automation teams and establish robust framework of QA to proceed further. Challenges: learning automation and CAD tools, developing framework and strategy for robust automation, learning application and understanding the customer-centric scenarios, etc. Skills required: currently pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, knowledge of programming language like Java or JavaScript, basic understanding of CAD tools and design concept, excellent written and verbal communication skill, strong problem solving skills, etc. Role is internship. Function area is IT software. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher mechanical engineering can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Caterpillar International Corporation, Chennai. Checking engineer at Caterpillar International Corporation, Chennai. Caterpillar International Corporation is an American Fortune 100 corporation that designs, develops, engineers, manufactures, markets and sells machinery, engines, financial products and insurance to customers. It is the world's largest construction equipment manufacturer. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or entry level. Job posting date is 9th November 2021. Job ID is R086392. Job purpose: to gain basic experience in the design, development and maintenance of new and existing products and components. Job duties: this is a beginning assignment for those possessing an accredited engineering degree. Work is directed by supervising engineer, staff engineer or project engineer and is normally supported daily by technical personnel, test and evaluation engineers, plant personnel and suppliers. Assignments are oriented to product concept, design, development and design layout preparations, etc. Background or experience: required an accredited engineering degree or equivalent experience, must have a strong problem solving skills, a good mechanical attitude and a good communication skill. Ingiven are normally promoted to a design engineer. A. Role is checking engineer. Function area is construction equipment manufacturer. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Collins Aerospace, Bangalore. Lead engineer at Collins Aerospace, Bangalore. Collins Aerospace is a Rhythm Technology subsidiary, is one of the world's largest supplier of aerospace and defense products. Collins Aerospace is engaged in designing, manufacturing and servicing systems and components for commercial aviation, business aviation, military and defense, helicopters, space, airports and other industries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 years of experience. Job ID is 1485615. Primary responsibilities: experience on new product development and engineering challenge management process, sound mechanical engineering fundamentals and experience on hand calculation, ability to read, understand and create technical drawing and sketches, knowledge on tools or fixtures, design and fabrication is desired, should have knowledge in GD and T. CAD tools: ability to create 2D pattern drawing by extracting surface data from 3D models, proficiency in CAD softwares like AutoCAD and other 3D CAD products like CATIA, Unigraphics is desired, work experience in PLM tool, Teamcenter, SAP, etc. Proficiency in Microsoft Office, Word, Excel and presentation, etc. Role is lead engineer. Industry type is aerospace industry. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Honeywell Automation. Mechanical Engineer 1 at Honeywell Automation India Limited, Pune. Honeywell International Corporation is an American MNC and is primarily operates in 4 areas of business: aerospace, building technologies, performance material and technologies, and safety and productivity solutions. Honeywell Automation India Limited has more than 3,000 employees across India. Honeywell is a Fortune 100 company and was ranked 92nd in 2019. The company has global workforce of approximately 110,000 workers. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Job ID is HRD 142103. Job description: be a part of a team that applies its expertise and knowledge to technical project, finding innovative, cost-effective means to improve product techniques, procedures and technologies. You will support the concept, design and implementation of mechanical parts, sub-assemblies and final products, etc. Key responsibilities: technical documentation, mechanical part design and support, drawing and 3D modeling, component and system analysis, engineering support, technical reporting, etc. Education: bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. Skills required: industrial design talent, ability to work independently, an open, honest and team-oriented personality, engineers to get involved in hands-on work, creativity, some experience developing new products or sustaining existing product range, some experience in a highly regulated or safety critical domain, etc. Role is mechanical engineer, industry type is design, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is ABB Bangalore. Procurement and Logistics Specialist at ABB India Limited, Bangalore. ABB Limited is a Swedish-Swiss multinational corporation operating mainly in robotics, power, heavy electrical equipment and automation technology areas. It is ranked 341st in the Fortune Global 500 list of 2018, has been Global Fortune 500 company for 24 years. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Job description. This is a procurement and logistical specialist reporting to a delivery lead for business procurement in robotics and discrete automation business area based in Bangalore. You will be responsible to execute material purchases request as per the technical specialization, price, delivery subsystem and terms, etc. Ensure purchasing activities are aligned with corporate purchasing policies and procedures under supervision. Qualification required: bachelor's degree in electrical or mechanical, experience ranging between 0 to 1 year. Candidates should have excellent communication skills, etc. Roles and responsibilities. Recommended: supports in identifying new suppliers and coordinate with the relevant category team. Follow the process to qualify new supplies in cooperation with the supplier quality and engineering specialist. Adapt corporate contractual framework to the local business needs. Recommended: frame agreement to management ensures approved contractual terms in execution. Initiate supply order in the system. Confirms delivery with the suppliers. Monitors and tracks suppliers performance to purchase order requirements, etc. Role is procurement logistics specialist. Functional area is heavy electrical equipment. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.